So far in my life, I've been in many situations in which someone makes noise, but the one that left the deepest impression on me is one morning when my brother came to my room and annoyed me to read Harry Potter book for him. So let me tell you about this occasion in more detail. At 5, I can remember it happened 2 years ago while I was sleeping. My father came to my room and annoyed me to read Harry Potter story for him. Although I was extremely angry, I still read it for him. The first time I read the book, I was instantly impressed by how the story unfolds and the way things are blended in earlier chapters and then more revealed in later ones. And I thought that there are enormous benefits when I read Harry Potter book. First of all, the most important thing is that I, whenever I read Harry Potter book, I have hours of enjoyment. I can immerse myself in the real world, a world of fictional and magic, magical. I can escape myself from a real world of stress and pressure. Secondly, reading Harry Potter book can improve my English. Whenever I read the book, I encounter a new word. I can guess meaning from the context and add it to my vocabulary book. If you ask me, I truly believe that it is one of the memorable events in my life. However, in the future, I wish that I wouldn't be annoyed while I was sleeping.